Checking your account balance at Rocky Mountain Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your financial information. Step 1. Visit the website. Go to the official Rocky Mountain Credit Union website. Look for the login section on the homepage to access your online banking account. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you don't have an account, you may need to register for online banking first. Step 3. Navigate to account summary. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Select your account. If you have multiple accounts, choose the specific account for which you want to check the balance. This will display the current balance along with recent transactions. Step 5. Log out securely. After reviewing your account balance, make sure to log out of your online banking session. This helps protect your personal information from unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance at Rocky Mountain Credit Union. Regularly monitoring your account helps you stay informed about your finances.